Ever pondered the secret recipe to success? What sets apart the high flyers from the flock? The answer lies not in the stars, but in the habits and traits they cultivate. Today, we dive into the world of successful people and unravel the secrets of their productivity. First on our list is early rising. Successful people are known to be early birds. They harness the serenity of the dawn to plan their day, exercise, or just soak in some moments of solitude. They firmly believe in the saying, "The early bird catches the worm." Next, successful people are voracious readers. They consume knowledge like a sponge, constantly learning and evolving. They delve into books, articles, podcasts, and more, feeding their curiosity and expanding their horizons. Thirdly, they set clear goals. Success isn't a happy accident. It's a carefully charted journey. Successful people know exactly what they want, and they set clear, achievable goals. They break down their ambitions into manageable chunks and pursue them relentlessly. Moving on, they are disciplined. Success demands consistency and perseverance. Successful people stick to their routine, come rain or shine. They don't let distractions derail them from their path. They know that discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Fifthly, they maintain a healthy lifestyle. Successful people understand that a healthy body houses a healthy mind. They eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, and ensure they get enough sleep. They know that their health is their wealth. Another notable trait is that they are risk takers. They step out of their comfort zones and embrace challenges. They view failures not as setbacks, but as stepping stones to success. They are not afraid to take the road less traveled. Lastly, they surround themselves with positivity. They cultivate a positive mindset and associate with people who inspire and motivate them. They steer clear of negativity and focus on possibilities rather than problems. In summary, the habits and traits of successful people revolve around early rising, voracious reading, clear goal setting, unwavering discipline, a healthy lifestyle, risk-taking, and a positive environment. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of their success. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. And the journey becomes fulfilling when you cultivate these habits and traits. After all, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. So as we wrap up, ask yourself, are you ready to embark on the journey to success? The power to succeed lies within you. Harness it, and the world is your oyster. Voiceover. If you found value in this video and it sparked a desire for success within you, we'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue sharing the secrets to productivity and success, and it ensures you won't miss out on our upcoming insightful videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, your success is our mission. See you in the next video.